Hello everyone, welcome back to Fill in the Gaps. Now, fill in the gaps is the second part of the SERU test of the SERU exam that you will be required to complete to pass the SERU exam. I have made multiple videos for the multiple choice section covering section 10 all the way down to section 2. I didn't do section 1 because I believe a lot of people have that covered and it's quite easy, but fill in the gaps is a section where a lot of people do struggle on because it is quite hard. So I have made so in this video will consist a lot of practice questions for you to practice the fill in the gaps so you can get better. As always, the best way to get the most out of these videos is to put all distractions away, put all electronics away, and treat it as if you were doing an exam. For each question, you will have 40 seconds to think of an answer before I move to the answer. So other than that, let's just get started. Before we start this video, I'm going to introduce you guys to the SERU revision handbook I have created. This book is perfect for those who are preparing for the SERU exam. It has multiple choice questions from section 1 to 10, making sure you are prepared for every section. You can view this in your phone, tablet, computer, or any electronic device. You will be able to go through it in your own time. The questions in this handbook will not be on my video, so you'll be getting your money's worth. It's only £19.99 right now, so not too expensive, especially when you consider it has over 80 practice questions covering section 1 to 10. So make sure you scan the QR code right now on the screen or use the link in the description. I will also have a QR code on the screen in the corner somewhere for you to check it out. If there are any issues with the link, I will update everyone through the comments on my videos, so make sure you guys go pick it up. Question 1. Ride sharing is when people who blank not know each other, pay separate fares and travel together in the same vehicle. Is it A, do? Is it B, does? Is it C, don't? Or is it D, doesn't? Now the 40 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is A, do. Ride sharing is when people who do not know each other pay separate fares and travel together in the same vehicle. Question 2. Ride sharing is when people who do not blank each other pay separate fares and travel together in the same vehicle. Now, is the blank word, is it A, every? Is it B, other? Is it C, each? Or is it D, another? We're going to reduce it to 30 seconds. Your 30 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is each. Ride sharing is when people who do not know each other pay separate fares and travel together in the same vehicle. Question 3. Ride sharing is when people who do not know each other pay separate blank and travel together in the same vehicle. Is the missing word A, fees, B, fares, C, fares, or D, fare? Now your 30 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is fares. Ride sharing is when people who do not know each other pay separate fares and travel together in the same vehicle. Now you have to be really you have to be really careful in the spelling because they will try to trick you out. So make sure you double check the spelling of the word before you pick an answer. Question 4. All ride-sharing journeys must be booked with a licensed London PHV operator. As a London PHV driver, you can only carry out ride-sharing bookings that you have received through a licensed London PHV blank? Is it A, agency, B, operator, C, organization, or D, establishment? Your 30 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is B, operator. All ride-sharing journeys must be booked with a licensed London PHV operator. As a London PHV driver, you can only carry out ride-sharing bookings that you have received from a licensed London PHV operator. Question 5. All ride-sharing journeys must be booked with a licensed blank PHV operator. As a London PHV driver, you can only carry out ride-sharing bookings that you have received from a licensed London PHV operator. Now, is a blank word A, city, B, certified, C, authorized, or is it D, London? Your 30 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is D, London. All ride-sharing journeys must be booked with a licensed London PHV operator. As a London PHV driver, you can carry out ride-sharing bookings that you have received from a licensed London PHV operator. Question 6. All ride-sharing journeys must be booked with a licensed London PHV operator. As a London PHV driver, you can only carry out ride-sharing bookings that you have received from a licensed blank PHV operator. Is it A, authorized, B, accredited, C, certified, or D, endorsed? Your 30 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is A, authorized. Question 7. Now this has two blanks. If you work for a PHV operator who offers ride-sharing services, you should talk to them about ride-sharing blank for PHV blank, as the operator should provide this. Is it A, workshops and clients, B, training and drivers, C, training and vehicles, D, seminars and passengers? Your 30 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is B, training and drivers. So you should talk to them about ride-sharing training for PHV drivers. Question 8. This also has two blanks. If a ride-sharing scenario involves passengers with similar routes and travel times, they may choose to book a ride-sharing PHV and travel with someone they blank. In such situations, passengers blank know each other well before deciding to share a ride. Now, is the answer A, do not and hardly, B, doesn't and seldom, C, don't know and may not, or is it D, does not know and rarely? Now your 30 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is C. Don't know and may not. Question 9. Another possible problem is that passengers may book a ride-sharing journey by mistake. If you stop to collect a second passenger and the first passenger was not expecting you to, it could result in blank. Additionally, this situation may lead to a blank. Is it A, confusion and trust, B, disagreement and communication, C, misunderstanding and rapport, D, mistake and argument? Your 30 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is D, mistake and argument. So if you stop to collect a second passenger and the first passenger was not expecting you to, it could result in a argument. Additionally, mistake. Additionally, this situation may lead to an argument. And that's the end of the video, guys. Anyways, if you have enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe. I will be uploading section 9 in fill in the gaps. If you are struggling on another section, please do let me know in the comments and I will make sure to cover that section and make more videos on it, such as multiple choice or even more fill in the gaps. Make sure you do check my course out. It will be somewhere on the screen. You can scan the QR code and it will take you directly to my website where you can buy the course. But if you are preparing for the SERU exam, I wish you the best of luck and thank you guys for watching.